In this video, we'll see how to generate attractive QR code with color, gradient, transparent background, and custom logo. I have used Python QR code and the Pillow library to generate and customize this QR code. Let's see some of the attractive QR code which are generated using this app. There are many sites or applications available which can generate this kinds of QR code. Some of those are free and some are paid. Links for some of these applications are given in the description box. We'll first see the application and later we'll code it. Open the application, enter the data or the URL, then generate the QR code. Now let's customize it. We can customize the body, background, the eyes, all the 3 eyes of the QR codes, as well as the custom logo for every aspect, be it the color, the gradient, or the shapes. Isn't it attractive? Let's now start coding it. First we have to import the library QRCode, then Pillow. First initialize QRCode with error correction. An error correction constant should be the highest for complex QR code. Add the data and fit it to the QR array as per best fit. To create the QR image, we will use Image Factory style PIL image. Use various module drawer to make different QR shapes like circular drawer. For color mask, either choose the solid one or the various gradient one. For gradient, choose one extra color. For adding custom logo, add the path of the logo. Now save the image. Run the program. That's it. Change the color code for a better gradient. We can further customize the eyes of the QR code with the help of Pillow library. Now we will change the background to the transparent. We have used the code we done so far in one of the existing Flask app to host it as a service. And also we have used one basic HTML to render it to the UI. Thanks for watching this video. Please press the like button. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel Solve with Eddie to watch more videos like this. Before ending today's video, let's look into some other Python libraries for QR code generator. In our next video, we'll see how to deploy this QR code application into the cloud with very minimal cost. Please write it in the comment box if you need further enhancement in this code.